And so you mentioned taking an agile or iterative approach to doing this, and certainly I've seen that is certainly the most successful way that I've seen change done as well. How do you kind of know the right approach? I mean, you can do things iteratively, but they're still done in very big chunks versus small. Like, how do you gauge how much, how quickly?
Yeah, so it's a as I mentioned, we've used this kind of burn the boat, no turning back approach. But what we've done that is with the vision of the outcome. Once you have the vision of the outcome and you've built an execution plan to get there, you do actually work through phases of things. And by the way, it's really important, Greg, that the leaders have confidence in themselves and conviction in themselves that along the way, when you hit bumps along the road, that you're still committed to that outcome at the very end. So I've talked with a lot of companies about the experience that we've gone through, and in most companies really struggle with keeping that conviction. So you need to have that conviction, and then you have to take those iterative steps to getting there. Here's one thing that we've done, and we did this in the business model transformation. And in fact, we're applying it again right now in the transformation I mentioned about how we're reshaping how our customers and our partners engage with Autodesk. We've chosen one location as a pilot. That location, by the way, was Australia for us. And we went there first. So we launched the program. It was more of an MVP, of capabilities, but we launched it there. We learned from the experience. We knew we wouldn't be perfect and we had gaps, but we would actually quickly fill the gaps, get market feedback, get customer feedback, and then make changes, and then built that capability into the future. And so by choosing a place to go and trial it, we learned a lot that had positioned us to then be prepared to go and scale it in other locations. And that was really important because we were learning as we were going, but we were still running the rest of our business in kind of a business as usual environment in the rest of the world. So we told the rest of the world, we will share with you the learnings as we go, but you keep focused on doing things the way you've been doing them. We will go and try something very different in this one market. And then from there, we will take the learnings and bring it to the other markets around the world.